Hi everyone, myself Arfat. I am here to discuss the topic of introduction to generic restrictions. Generic restrictions are constraints that apply to a wide range of situations, concepts, or objects. They are often used to ensure consistency, maintain order, or protect certain interests. What are generic restrictions? Generic restrictions define boundaries or limitations within a specific context. They can be rules, guidelines, policies, or even natural laws that govern how things operate or behave. These are four restrictions we can see in this PPT. Controlling behavior, ensuring fairness, protecting interests, maintaining order, controlling behavior. Restrictions help to control the behavior of individuals or systems within a defined space. Ensuring fairness. Restrictions can promote fairness and equity by creating a level playing field for everyone, protecting interests. They can help to protect the interests of individual groups or environment. Maintaining order. Restrictions helps to maintain order and prevent chaos within the system. Type, Types of generic restrictions: legal restrictions, technical restrictions, social restrictions. Generic restrictions can be categorized based on their purpose, scope, and enforcement mechanisms. Some common type includes, first we can see here, legal restrictions, laws, regulations, and contracts that govern human behavior and interactions. Restrictions, which is technical, constraints imposed by technology such as hardware limitations or software protocols. Social restrictions, norms, customs, social expectations that behavior that shape behavior within a community. Importance of generic restrictions. Generic restrictions are crucial for maintaining order, ensuring fairness, and protecting interests. Without them, chaos and conflicts would arise, leading to unpredictable consequences. Promoting fairness. Restrictions can create a level of playing field for everyone, ensuring that everyone operates under the same rules. Preventing chaos. Restrictions helps to maintain order and control behavior, preventing situations from spiraling out of control. Protecting interests. Restrictions can safeguard the interests of individual groups and environment by limiting harmful actions. Generic restrictions in software development. In software development, generic restrictions are often implemented as programming constructions. These can include type of restrictions, access modifiers, and security protocols. Type restrictions, ensuring that variable and functions are used appropriately within a program. Access modifiers, controlling the visibility and accessibility of different parts of code. Security protocol, protecting sensitive information and preventing unauthorized access of system. Generic restrictions in hardware design. In hardware design, generic restrictions are imposed by physical limitations and design constraints. These can include power requirements, signal integrity, and manufacturing tolerance. Power requirements, the amount of power that a device can consume or generate. Signal integrity, ensuring the set signals are transmitted accurately and reliably. Manufacturing tolerance, the acceptance range of variation in the dimensions and properties of components. Generic restrictions in legal contracts. Legal contracts often incorporate generic restrictions to define the terms and conditions of an agreement. This can include clauses related to confidentiality, liability, termination, confidentiality, restrictions on sharing sensitive information, liability, defining responsibilities and limitations in case of harm or damage, termination, conditions under which the agreement can be ended. Challenging in implementing generic restrictions. Implementing generic restrictions can be challenging due to various factors, including complexity, enforcement, and unintended consequences. Complexity. Designing and enforcing complex restrictions can be difficult. Enforcement. Ensuring Compliance with restrictions can be challenging, especially in large scale systems. Unintended consequences. Restrictions can sometimes have unexpected negative effects. Best practice of generic restrictions: clear communication, flexibility, monitoring and evaluation, continuous improvement. Clear communication: communicate restrictions clearly and concisely to everyone involved. Allow for some flexibility and expectations to accommodate unforeseen circumstances. Monitoring and evaluation: regularly monitor the effect of restrictions and make adjustments as needed. Continuous improvement: continuous try to improve the design and implementation of restrictions. Conclusion and key takeaways. Generic restrictions are essential for maintaining order, fairness, equity in various domains. These provide boundaries, control behavior, and protect interests. When implemented effectively, restrictions contribute to a stable and predictable environment. Understanding the purpose. Clear define the purpose and scope of restrictions. Balancing freedom and control. Strike a balance between freedom and control to achieve desired outcomes. Global perspective. Consider the broader implication of restrictions on different stakeholders and systems. Thank you for watching my video and do like it.